أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله على النبي الأمي الكريم وعلى آله وبارك وسلم. In previous lecture we learned few letters, few alphabets from the Noorani Qaida, and those words were 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. The very first word, orange word, was alif. That is very easy to understand, but remaining three words, they are similar in shape, but as I told in previous lecture that the dots are very important, which makes them different. Okay, so ba, ta, tha, they are three similar in shape, but the dot is main difference, which with the help of that dot we can change from ba to ta and ta to tha. Then next three more words, they were also same in shape, this one and this and this. Okay, so these are also same in shape, but again the dot is the main thing which makes them different. So if the dot is down, that is Jim. And one more thing, we have to focus this shape, this one, where the hand is going. You can see here, this is important shape. Okay, and in upcoming pages inshallah we will learn, because when Jim is connected with another letter, then this Jim is not written in this shape with this full shape. Okay, the shape is different, then only this sign you will find out, only this sign, not the whole like moon, not this one, only this sign we will see. So that's why if the dot is down, that is Jim. Sometime this same letter is without dot, that would be ha, soft letter. And if same shape has one dot on top, that would be ha. Then we learned two more letters, they are with same pair. One pair is dal and dal. Okay, if the dot is on top, that would be dal. If dot is nowhere, then that is dal with L sound, remember. Then we are going to learn today a few more pairs. Okay, most of the letters, they are in one pair. Actually they are in one pair. So here is raw, this one is raw, okay, without dot. And if same letter has one dot on top, that would be za here, that is za. And then in other shape we will see here, this is seen. And if same letter has three dots on top, then that would be sheen. Again, what makes them different? Only dots. If dots are there, that would be sheen. If there is no dot, that is seen. And remember one more thing, we learned another letter which has three dots on top. It was this one. First line, fourth letter. This letter has also three dots on top, and then again here in third line, third letter has three dots on top. Then how would you make the difference? How would you understand that? Or in other words, how would you able to recognize whether this is tha or this is she? Let me tell you. These teeth, this, then this, and then this. There are three. 1, 2, and 3. If three teeth are there and with three dots, this means that would be sheen. And if At this stage there are only two. One, this is from the beginning, this is ending, till two are there. But when we connect this letter, this sa, with another letter, then there would be maybe shorter, not in this shape. So if three teeth are there, that would be sheen. If there are no three teeth, if there is only one, then that would be tha. Now coming back to this one, again two letters with same shape. If a letter is without dot, that is swad, swad. And if a letter is with dot, that would be dod. And I'm just telling you, there is a strong connection between this green letter and this orange letter. Okay, there is a huge connection. What connection? This is simple seen and this is sword. So don't be confused that how to read it. Their pronunciation is totally different. This is simple soft letter seen, and this is heavier. Just make a circle with your lips, just for the sake of understanding. I'm telling you, just make a circle with your lips. That would be sword, sword, and then would be dod. And now moving towards the next line. 3 lines we have done, then we have 3 more lines. They are last 3 lines. Again, pair of 2 letters. One is without dot and one is with dot. Okay, so without dot is thaw, thaw, and with one dot that would be zo, zo. Next is again purple letter. Again 2 letters are similar. Ain, and the next is ghain, ain, ghain. Next is orange letter, that is fa, and next line that is qaf with 2 dots, qaf. And there we learned another letter which has 2 dots on top. Later I'll tell you the difference between that letter and this letter, because both have 2 dots upside. So we will inshallah be able to make them difference, how to read them, and what is the difference between these 2 letters. This is similar kaf. Okay, just for the sake of understanding, you can see that this is this with 2 dots. This off is like Q in English, that is Q, and this kaf is like K. Okay, so that is kaf. Just make sure that this sign must be in your mind. This is kaf. Next is very easy letter, that is lam. Next is mim, noon. One dot is on top, one dot is on top, and there is another 2 other letters actually. 2 other letters we learned which got 2 dots, 1 dot up. But here this is noon, it got 1 dot up, and this letter again has 1 dot up as well. But the difference is this letter and this letter. Fa, this is fa. This fa has head here in the beginning. It's just like head, circle, filled circle. But here this letter is without circled, without filled circle. So this is noon. It itself is circle. So this is noon and this is fa. Last line, that is wow, simple, wow. And this is ha. This one is also ha. You see this small letter here. This is also ha. It has two eyes, and this is simple one circle. So this is ha, and this is also ha. But at this stage we will read only one ha. Why this ha is written? Because of understanding. Here is wow again written. Sometime wow is, this is mere wow. This is simple wow, and this is actually how to write wow. Wow, alif wow is in writing, but this wow is a short form wow. And this is ha. This one is hamza. Don't be confused. This is not like ayn. You can see ayn shape is here. Here, ayn. It looks like same, but this is bigger one. In size, this is bigger one, and in size, this is smaller one. This is hamza, and the next one is ja. Two dots down. This is again ja. Two dots down. If two dots are upside on top, that would be ta, and if two dots are down, that is ja. On next page we will learn this difference, inshallah. Okay, so by ending this ja, we have completed one page. That is the first page where we learned only Arabic alphabets. There are totally 29 alphabets, and we learned these alphabets today. Okay, and in next lecture, inshallah, I will try to come up with new lesson where we will learn how to connect two alphabets together and how to read them and how they look like when they are coming together. So we will learn, inshallah, in next lesson that page. Okay, thank you so much.